So hi everyone, today I want to show you two major things actually, how to access your Jetson Nano using your own machine. It can be Linux, it can be Mac OS, it can be Windows like mine. And also number two, setting up the camera. So I want to start with the simplest one and the easy one, setting up the camera. My camera currently is a USB camera. Now what you should do is, of course, plug in your camera into your Jetson Nano. My camera looks like this. I don't know how yours looks like, but this is how my camera looks like. Yeah, it is a 720p camera, and then of course my Jetson Nano looks like this. It's the old type of Jetson Nano, which is I think 2 GB of RAM. We have the other Jetson Nano that it's Jetson Nano Orin, I think it's 8 GB RAM, which is more powerful than the older version of Jetson Nano. You need to check if your camera is working. We have one of the easiest ways. You need to list dev/video *. So you see I have my camera which is in port 0, and then you can install a certain library called utilities. So just need to sudo apt. Let me see. Yeah, so that's a correct command. I think I had already installed this, and then you need to test. Yeah, it's worked. So this is the command for testing. My video should be able to open or show me the certain video. Actually, this shows the list. Yeah, so it's a webcam C270. The series is webcam. Actually, it's from Logitech. And then I want to install something else, which is called sudo apt install ffmpeg, and also installed this previously, so it shouldn't take much time as well. Check if at least my video is visible. ff play dev/video. It was in 0. Let me see if my camera will open. I think it should be on. I'm not sure, but what is it saying? So it opened for some time. Then what really happened? It is quite interesting. I don't really know why it's not opening, but let me see. Actually, it's right here. Yeah, actually the camera is on the other side. That is the camera. Hellos. And let me show you what to do next. I want to close this, and since the camera is working, the next thing I want to do is install what is called OpenCV. I wanted to show you how to open your Jetson Nano using your computer. It's quite easy. Just in your connected Jetson Nano using your monitor, just type IPA. Yeah, you will be able to fetch your IP. You can use any of these engines. You can either use mobile XTerm. I like this particular interface or console. It's called mobile XTerm because it enables me to open my servers and my other devices quite easy. You know, you can run so many sessions at the same time and stuff like that. Or you can also use something like Putty. Putty is a lightweight one. This is where you can download Putty. Yeah, this is Putty. You can also use your Windows or your Mac machine or your Linux shell. That can as well work. You just need to SSH. I think that's quite common knowledge. So let's install OpenCV. It's going to be very easy. Sudo apt update. Let's first update, and then after sudo apt update, you want to sudo apt install python 3 pip. It shouldn't take much time. I already have very fast internet in my place, unless it decides to do me that thing, because it happens anyway. It's done. Pip 3, already have installed pip 3. Install OpenCV Python. Okay. Let's see how long that takes. Seems like it failed. I don't really know why it has failed. You're getting that this is a very common error in Jetson Nano. So let me retry again. Another way of installing OpenCV: sudo apt install python 3 OpenCV. So seems like it worked. Or the best way is to test my camera and see how this goes. Let me see. So directory list, I want to make a directory in the make directory. I want to make a directory and call it comp vision list. So I have a directory called computer vision here. Change directory to comp vision. Should vim work? Test. Does it even work? WQ. Oops. Requires some basic Linux Python retest.py. Let me see if this runs. It has an error. You need to first of all open Python 3 and then paste it here. It will just run automatically anyway. So it opens the camera. So this is the camera. The camera is behind me, someplace back there. I think there's some lag. It's normal because already I'm using my SSH. So all you need to do is press Q. And you're done. Good to go. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate everyone for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Adios.